Welcome to the Arctic Circle, a land of extreme cold and prolonged darkness. Here, temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows and the sun disappears for months. Yet, this seemingly inhospitable environment is home to a diverse array of animals, each uniquely adapted to survive. From the iconic polar bear to the elusive narwhal, the Arctic teems with life that has mastered survival. Join us now as we venture into this frozen wonderland and meet the resilient creatures that call it home. Let's explore 10 remarkable Arctic animals and their incredible adaptations. Few animals embody the Arctic spirit as powerfully as the polar bear, the apex predator of this frozen realm. Cloaked in a thick layer of blubber and a dense coat of fur, the polar bear is a master of thermoregulation. Their stark white coats provide exceptional camouflage, allowing them to stalk seals, their primary prey. A keen sense of smell guides them towards breathing holes in the ice where seals surface for air. Watch as a polar bear waits near a breathing hole, its black nose twitching, detecting its prey. With a sudden burst of power, it erupts from the water, jaws clamping down on a seal. Their large, paddle-like paws provide exceptional traction on ice and open water, making them powerful swimmers. As the ice floes shrink, polar bears embark on epic journeys, swimming vast distances between hunting grounds. In the vast white expanse of the Arctic tundra, the Arctic fox reigns supreme. This small, cunning canine transforms with the seasons to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. During the long winters, the Arctic fox dons a pristine white coat, perfect camouflage against the snow. As the snow melts, the fox's coat molts, revealing a brown or gray summer coat. Its compact body, short legs, and shortened muzzle minimize heat loss. The Arctic fox's keen sense of hearing allows it to detect the faintest rustlings beneath the snow. With a swift pounce, the fox dives into the snow, emerging with a mouthful of fur. Its hunger momentarily satisfied, the Arctic fox continues its search for food. As twilight descends upon the Arctic tundra, a ghostly figure emerges. This is the snowy owl, perfectly adapted to hunt in the low-light conditions of the Arctic winter. Its plumage, a dazzling white speckled with black, serves as camouflage and insulation. Blending seamlessly with the snow-covered landscape, the snowy owl becomes nearly invisible to prey. Beneath this striking exterior lies a dense layer of feathers, providing exceptional warmth. Its large, forward-facing eyes grant it remarkable visual acuity even in dim light. Complementing its eyesight is an impressive sense of hearing. Asymmetrical ear openings allow the owl to pinpoint prey with astonishing accuracy. Watch as the snowy owl perches silently, its head swiveling, scanning the landscape. Suddenly it takes flight, gliding effortlessly, homing in on the faintest rustling beneath the snow. In the vast, unforgiving expanse of the Arctic tundra, the Arctic hare has perfected the art of survival. Cloaked in a thick, woolly coat that turns white in winter, the Arctic hare is a master of camouflage. Its compact body shape and shortened ears minimize heat loss. Strong legs and large feet covered in fur act like snowshoes, allowing it to navigate deep snow. When danger threatens, the Arctic hare relies on its incredible speed and agility. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, it can outrun even the swiftest predators. Watch as an Arctic hare senses danger, its nose twitching, its ears pricked. In a flash, it takes off, bounding across the snow, leaving its pursuer far behind. In the heart of the Arctic tundra, a herd of musk oxen huddles together, creating a formidable fortress against the elements. These ancient creatures are living testaments to the power of collective resilience. Their thick, shaggy coat, composed of 2 layers, provides exceptional insulation. When threatened by predators, the herd forms a defensive circle, adults facing outward, protecting the young within. Their large hooves act like snowshoes, providing traction on icy surfaces. Watch as a herd of musk oxen grazes peacefully, their shaggy coats swaying in the wind. Suddenly, a predator approaches, but the musk oxen are ready, forming their defensive circle, their horns lowered, their gruff snorts echoing across the tundra, a powerful message of defiance. Deep beneath the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean, the narwhal glides gracefully through the dark depths. This elusive whale, with its long spiraling tusk, has captivated imaginations for centuries. Its torpedo-shaped body and smooth skin reduce drag, allowing it to move effortlessly through the water. A thick layer of blubber provides insulation against the frigid Arctic waters. Lacking a dorsal fin, the narwhal has a series of bumps along its back, aiding in maneuvering beneath the ice. With poor eyesight in the dark depths, the narwhal relies on echolocation, emitting clicks and whistles. Watch as a pod of narwhals surfaces for air, their spiraling tusks glinting in the sunlight. Listen closely, and you might hear their haunting calls echoing through the water. On the ice floes and rocky shores of the Arctic, the walrus, a massive pinniped, is perfectly adapted to life in the frigid waters. Their long ivory tusks are used for hauling their bodies out of the water, breaking through ice and defending against predators. A thick layer of blubber insulates them against the freezing cold. Their sensitive whiskers, or vibrissae, are highly specialized sensory organs. Watch as a walrus dives deep, using its flippers to propel itself through the water. On the bottom, it uses its whiskers to locate clams and mussels. Sucking them out of their shells with its powerful lips, the walrus feeds. The walrus's adaptations make it a formidable presence in the Arctic. Few creatures embody the spirit of migration as dramatically as the Arctic tern. This small seabird undertakes the longest migration of any animal on Earth. Their journey takes them from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, a round trip of over 44,000 miles each year. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for this epic journey. Long, pointed wings allow them to glide effortlessly, minimizing energy expenditure. During their breeding season in the Arctic, their plumage takes on a striking black cap. Watch as a flock of Arctic terns takes flight, their wings beating in unison. They rise higher and higher, embarking on their epic journey. Beneath the ice floes of the Arctic Ocean swims the beluga whale, known for its haunting songs. This small, toothed whale, with its distinctive white coloration, is a master of adaptation. Their pure white coloration provides camouflage in their icy environment. Lacking a dorsal fin, belugas navigate easily beneath ice and reduce heat loss. Their thick layer of blubber provides insulation against the frigid waters. Known for their complex vocalizations, belugas use clicks, whistles, and calls for communication and navigation. Watch as a pod of beluga whales swims playfully beneath the ice. Listen closely, and you might hear their haunting songs echoing through the water. Across the Arctic tundra, a tide of hooves pounds the earth. This is the sound of the reindeer or caribou, a keystone species of the Arctic. Their thick coats provide exceptional insulation against the Arctic chill. Their hooves adapt with the seasons, providing traction and allowing them to dig through snow. Even their noses are specially adapted to warm the frigid air before it reaches their lungs. Watch as a herd of reindeer migrates across the tundra, their antlers silhouetted against the sky. Their journey is a vital link in the delicate balance of the Arctic ecosystem. The reindeer's adaptations make them true nomads of the north. As we've journeyed through the Arctic Circle, we've witnessed the awe-inspiring resilience of life. Each creature has carved its own niche in this challenging environment. These remarkable adaptations enable Arctic animals to not only survive but also flourish. Their stories serve as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Arctic Circle. Stay tuned for more incredible wildlife stories.